Solo, lad.
I'm sweating.
What are you trying? It's easy.
That's why you've never got this far.
Hello. If you can do the solo, yeah, I'm gonna bum you.
Is this the solo or not?
No. It's like. Looks like it goes well slow on the TV, but through the camera it's going like super. Here you go. The fuck, it's piss. Oh, maybe not.
If I do this now, I'm gonna kill myself.
You better not fucking fail it at the end. It finishes in a second. You've just done Raining Blid. Not bad.
Have I? Is it done?
That is it.
Wait. I think I kicked your ass, guys.
Are you good that you